My name is Victoria Coleman-Cowger. I am a clinical research psychologist by training, but I work as a therapeutic area scientific director with Emmes, which is a global clinical research organization based in Rockville, Maryland. I'm working right now on a Cure Sickle Cell Initiative, which is an NHLBI funded initiative that is really dedicated to accelerating the identification of genetic-based cures for sickle cell disease. And so that's something that is really exciting for me because the population is just so interesting. And this is a patient centered research initiative. So there are patients involved at every level, every working group, every committee, every subcommittee. There are patients involved every step of the way. So in study design, in kind of researching protocol development, patients are involved at every step. So that's really exciting for me. And it's just an exciting time for sickle cell disease and gene therapy. The conference has been really exciting for me. This is actually my first ASGCT conference. I've been attending ASH for quite some time, but ASGCT is really interesting because it offers the opportunity to connect with a lot of people who may be doing broader gene therapy work outside of sickle cell disease. So I'm able to connect with the people who are doing work in sickle cell disease and various organizations that are doing that work, but also looking more broadly to areas where sickle cell, it's aligned with sickle cell work, but might not be in that same wheelhouse.